I will.
Are you videoing me, honey?
Mm-hmm.
What?
You eating his eyes?
Yep.
First the ears, then the eyes.
His ear looks like it's bleeding.
Eat the face.
Just eat it right off. Just take a big chunk out of it.
And
Do
one more
it.
thing to miss it.
Martha-Ann.
Martha-Ann. She's gonna
Wait. Let me take a picture.
Bah. Bah.
You ready?
Oh, are you gonna actually?
eat the face. She's gonna eat the face right off.
That was good.
Let me see his face. Oh.
So why is there a big...
That's sad.
It was good. It's a little cannibalistic.
I think Molly's concerned for the
Back off,
gram.
Molly.